Well, let's try to put on some of these Costco Michelin windshield wiper blades. And you can see when you crack open the box, you're going to end up with a whole bunch of parts and little bitty instructions. Remember, these parts are for a lot of different applications, and this particular video is not made to use all these parts. They're going to end up in the trash can. What we're going to look at is the J-type hook, and this is the most common of windshield wiper applications. Getting the old one off is a devil. You're going to have to wiggle it, push it, pull it until it comes off. When it does come off, lay it here on your windshield so the spring-loaded windshield wiper arm doesn't come down and crack your glass. If it does, you've ruined your windshield. Now these parts, again, keep them until you're done, but usually they're going to end up in the trash can. Now, let's take a look at what you do. You take the wiper blade in one hand, the arm in the other, wiggle it a little bit, snap that J-hook down right on the loop inside, and that's all there is to it. Now, let's take another look at that one more time. Slide it in, and it slips into that J-hook area, snaps in, and then just lay it down gently. That's all there is to it. Good luck to you.